Guys, welcome back, and today is another video. Today, currently right now, we are here at the hotel, but we're not here to exactly stay. We're actually going back home today, so yeah, it's pretty quiet. But yeah, if you enjoy the last video of this trip, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you downstairs in the lobby. Alright guys, we have reached Terminal 2 here at Takana International. Currently right now we have just finished checking in. However, we're just redoing our luggage and stuff because it's come overweight, and the cost of bringing overweight stuff is about $100, so it's a bit expensive, even though it's only 5 kilograms overweight. So yeah, we're going to sort that out, and then we're going to make our way to the gate. Guys, we made it past security. Currently right now headed to D7, which is where our flight will be departing from, which will bring us to Bali, and after that we'll be heading back home to Perth. Guys, we have arrived here at Gusti Ngurah Rai International. We're now going to transfer planes. We're going to transfer terminals to the international terminal, and then yeah, we'll be headed back to Perth. Alright guys, we're currently here at the international terminal. We have just got past security, so right now we're going to be walking straight through Bali duty free, and then yeah, we're going to make our way to our gate. Hi guys, we have arrived in Perth, as you may have seen from the footage. I'm currently right now on the jet bridge. looks like there's a United flight leaving from here. But anyways, we're now gonna get past passport control and we're gonna be on our way back home. After arriving back in Perth, we went through immigration and made our way downstairs to the baggage claim. Once you have collected your baggage, you will be met by biosecurity screening. When meeting with biosecurity, they will ask for some of your immigration papers and then will ask whether or not you have any perishable items. After that, they will scan your stuff and send you on your way. Anyways, back to the video. Alright guys, we have finally made it back home. So yeah, that's the end of the trip. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.